These are 4 of the bottles that I found out back in my yard. They're pretty caked with dirt, so I'm going to see what putting them in the ultrasonic cleaner does. Alright, so we got mixed results on these bottles that we're cleaning. You can see this one got pretty clean. There's still some dirt in there. We can brush that out. This one was the one that was floating at first, and it's still kind of caked up with dirt in the top corner. So before running that again, and same with this one, we'll take a toothpick and try to poke that out so that the cleaning solution can get in there. This one has lots of simple green bubbles in there. Quite a bit got out of there. This dirty spot must have been on the bottom like that. So we'll make sure to flip it around when we run it again. And we'll run it a few more times and see what happens. This was after about 4 times through the ultrasonic cleaner. After poking the dirt out of the bottles and running it a few more times through the ultrasonic cleaner, you can see the bottles are really clean. I'll try to clean the rest of that out with a brush. This one I've already cleaned up. Looks really great for being in the ground for 75 years. Alright, so these are the really interesting bottles after being through the ultrasonic cleaner. Takeaways is you'll definitely get better results if you try to get as much dirt out of the bottles as you can before running it through the ultrasonic cleaner. Another thing is the fluid in the ultrasonic cleaner now looks like a mud, and if I was to clean anything else in here, I would have to change the fluid first. Follow me along as I clean other objects in the ultrasonic cleaner and try to decipher any markings on these bottles and try to figure out what they were from. Thanks for watching.